right, these next two kind of have those interesting solutions that I talked about at the beginning. Let's try them. Again, we have to distribute here and get 15 plus 9x is less than or equal to 9x plus 15. You can kind of see where this is going, I think. Hopefully. Nothing I can combine, so I'm just going to move the 9x over. And in both cases, they are positive, so if I subtract 9x, they both cancel. Which leaves me with 15 being less than or equal to 15. Now, when your variables disappear like this, you have to ask yourself, is what's left true or is it false? So let's look at it. In this case, 15, is that less than or equal to 15? Well, yeah, 15 is equal to 15, and so therefore that is true. Because this is true, this is going to be infinitely many solutions, or maybe your teacher has you say all real numbers. There's a lot of different ways that you can denote that that is all numbers there, okay? This next one, you could probably guess this is going to be false. So let's see what happens here. We have 4x plus 16, if I distribute, is greater than 4x plus 17. So again, if I subtract my 4x's, my penmanship's not the best, but that leaves me with 16 is greater than 17. Is this true or false? This is false. 16 is not greater than 17. So because of that, this is no solution. So no solution. So because when your variables disappear like this, in both cases here, the 9x's disappear, in this case, the 4x's disappeared, ask yourself, is it true, which would be all real numbers, or is it false, which would be no solution?